Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Many amadasi enchie bi Ghana for mutie fa mu feed kese do so Ghana fa na nyina ene mo ahwe o social ni media mechi aminia Dagomba ni this year Kamal Din ana no corporate nanto na akoyo na wenti benya
modi echire
oh na
modi echire papa
2 minutes we nya say
modi echire papa mo
me ya ma mo bat enye hwe nya me mrepa odi esi obusu so ko mrahye bedwam die mrepa be ba ma so be kobi e bia na me ni wako du hon
amen me da se
kwamani enramum menti be nya ho kwan entie fellow Ghanaians number 15 enti insem no anope na me can be on social media and other news outlets but there okay say I believe say there was nothing new in yesterday's update. The old rehash and rhetorics just say Mampenya Akufo-Addo menya akwenya throw salvos to his political opponents. Say Ibimu a professional than Jeremiah, which I don't know what he want to communicate in that arena. Say now Adani spokesperson for the Electoral Commission and on nobody determine how successful compilation of voters register by what statistics and standard no they determine. I don't even know. Is it just the mere conclusion say people about 16.9 million Edian register, so that is your conclusion of being successful? Then the president has a lot to learn, because I don't think that is it. Because as we speak, there is no register. You gather raw data, and you see nipa din say, and now it me a capture. So nipa din cover various stages to be determined as members who are eligible. Say, akwenya ba 7 December sankofu nebe to aba. Until that register is out, political parties being certified, assigned, ajiatum. No, you cannot make a sweeping conclusion say it's successful. What is successful about it? Again, Emra AC Ebabe Chodin. Most of the calls for EC to reconsider say we are in the midst of pandemic, COVID, and it would have been prudent and better said on edit the existing old register no to pave way for people not to risk life in contracting coronavirus. Na people within the health professionals, doctor for any other allied health professionals, and the signing signatures ekoma EC yenya lecturers from the universities across Ghana signing here. Yenya other professional groups calling on the EC say let's not expose the country. Again, GME ebokoko say EC NT naso corner BBC they should be held liable and responsible for it. It is a groups na ne Omampenyi council professional Jeremiah sir. Well, I wonder how he will go to these groups and convince them to vote for him, because Mijiri say everybody have the right to as we speak today. Nipa dodo akotro mudin Omampenyi Akufo-Addo ene you don't go on enhanced contact tracing again. Unko areas in Krum and contesting Krofu. So you cannot conclude say the spread of coronavirus is limited. Whatever data or has to say, maybe you'll be on reporting sick, any others are limited numbers. No, that is what you have. The time COVID area Krumha and Kayanfa aggression in room and picking samples on random basis. And Kayan who said Nipa baby will fear never muhu. Again, we share omwa ye testi omomunya positive. And ye drobia na di kan omu recover. Most of them recovered on their immune system. So it tells you say coronavirus no ye mu baby we've been exposed to it. But until you are tested say uwo your immune system is stronger. It fights it and you are recovered on your own. And then wankasa I can tell say yankasa daily in no be more edika no any some mechanisms are me say at least
like
acha 5
lifestyle, isn't it?
Yes, 5 days. Me my new tree. Now me put me home because I first have been exposed too much to public. So I need to do some of these things. Say within that time, say virus in me hunama, it can limit it because of the heat and other things.
Dr.
So,
Anthony Nupe.
No, it's not about Dr. Anthony. When you read about virus, you know some of the steps I'll be taking to be able to limit it. On my paying to me can say dropping a canipa. So I remember one of the things I used to tell the party executives, most of the people make buy into contact within this registration, say the way our environment is hazardous, it will be good, say, Wangasa, you take preventive care measures. And again, sitting by hot water should be one of the things you should be practicing, especially agents, any other party mobilizers are not who very high, densely populated registration areas. So, people have taken a lot of steps there on alleviate in this thing. So Uber concludes say EV registration, you've not heard anything about corona spread, so you are calling people's name. You are not living within the context of how we are seeing things. Just say man penny, your trauma or no kind one. We don't
Ono be so che say na ye be chodino. Say na enkofo si e kano a pandemic himu and you be chodin.
Why was people
I'm not to say
because of the spread level and the increase in the daily update or weekly update and every Ghana Health Service so people were so alarmed within that time.
But you also who say ABR before someone pay don't take that step. Now you say almost on share no with you before say they go to say na boy e coach ni kwa wi o say you see preparation baby sanitizers
90%
you know PPEs
90% of the centers people were not washing their hands. People were not washing.
Oh, I'm sure 90%.
I'm telling you. Especially in the Greater Accra region.
And that's fair to you.
I am telling you.
A lot of places
there was no washing of hand.
Really? I find out who be sir.
Me say several centers. Look, let me tell you. You go to a center, both political parties, NDC, MPP.
Yeah.
On se nipa bochenku.
Oh.
Then within the perimeter area registration, they are controlling the crowd. So NDC mobilizer, MPP mobilizer, they will agree. Kofa nipa 5, Muslim family nipa 5. At the time they enter, these are organized entry. Near all taking temperature crampo. Ohun be ankofun nefa. Obi any all directly go through mudin. So they enter and they spread out. I'm telling you, this is what happened. Most of the food that
wait my sentence be.
And I you go there.
Oh, see a bon who make you reference me.
90% of the center. This was the arrangement that was being done by both political parties.
And I say Kenya didn't be prepare. I was saying
I catch you say, look, Obi Biara on say we exposing him within the registration environment of registration I hazardous no. So if there is no spread today, one, people are taking preventive care. Again, has the government gone on enhanced contact tracing and testing of people or taking samples to check whether people don't have the virus within them, but it is not people can have it, but if their system is so stronger and breaking here,
fight against it.
It's just like HIV, SAO, until say immune system bear down. You can have it if you are not testing here. Opinion so will be. You can live so healthy for so many years until say immune system breaking down. This is how viruses operate.
I listened to Dr. Wajida Costa, Ghana Health Service Penifone Back promotions. Or just a moon that so Yadiano. And now they say we say from tomorrow relax. No, they also may be or more outside the advice outside the moment for say any protocols so sanitizer and Juma with no smacks a whole lot. So
sanitizer and virus. It's just a matter of taking care of say you have a clean hand.
Yes, a protective.
I get me. And those things. Aside that, so one take you look. Say Yareba, we are see a doctor for now. Mukasa baby, no mukano yarene spreading. They confuse everybody. Look at the kind of talks about around COVID. ube hum adibechi yes doctor for we say these are the confusion they throw into the market.
But so far baby abedru no abanya de
aban onya de say yamani tumi okoji $1 billion ewo yedimu enye no nti no okoji saska no okofa yes stabilization fund $200 million ebe den enti ni awaye sika na yedima no ene ejuma awaye ekontabo ne won hu yenya hu kontabo ne ye enyi se waya de onya de o aban fa drone ka obia no aduane no atoma nkrofo bi adi those who have been omo medical isolation center omo didie mu ne omo nema ba ku mienu enu kwa again what taking care of water and electricity bill, it is prudent to do it because why? COVID has slowed down biani neko neba. Even those who are living on daily wages and salary, crampo omuhuano, how much money is ekotomali. So all these things account say government must cushion us. Near JM Caribbean Muntina says as we cushion in paying water and electricity bill, no. You take a pragmatic step and you may need a man for businesses back together because you can't continue paying these things forever. It is a utia, that's a won't take bold steps and man crofu, ejuma and soria. Then you are not doing because people must be fishing, not you giving them fish always. So that is what John Dramani Mama is saying. As a government, Yariaba, I can't be beer ewo omainum, but abandon modern bottle was making sure say obi biara ni oye no obeso original nanso saying ne benya fa hundi going forward. What is the plan? Where is the plan? Is it about the rhetorics? We need to look at it carefully and then make sure say people's businesses revive, people's work, trade, farm and everything come to life so that we don't continue to live on freebies that will not be sustainable for tomorrow.
It's you so the can you want to free quick one we don't know na educate company ni sa.
Now, one of the people who Emra Omampika said, offer electricity, was it electricity for water first? We made the call said coverage on electricity is higher than coverage on water. For that matter, electricity bet me up one paper. Are you getting me? So that we will recover. Omampeni Mama on can say it is not good. Or say as we do it, let's take proactive steps, pragmatic steps, say obey back to life because we can't live on freebies forever. This is the context in which he was speaking.
May I say around to look and I said no and canopies.
Peace FM 104.3 Good to meet